walking in the halls of Trey Young.
It's not just Trey Young.
It is to me.
Restrooms, we have a sign on this side right where you enter. There's men's and women's over there as well as an individual. And then up here we'll have our instructors. There's water along the baseline and the orange coolers if you need anything. We're excited to get started. So I'll kick it over to Joe and he'll walk you through what today's going to look like.
Morning, yogis.
Morning.
Thank you guys for coming here this morning. I want to thank the Atlanta Hawks and Reach Healthcare for allowing us to put this event on. This is our second year doing it. We really appreciate you guys for coming, showing up, taking advantage of this. We're led by Kim. Do a nice yasa flow, so take it easy on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. There are all these modifications to the poses that she's going to be doing. So if you don't know, one of us up here will be doing a modified version of this. Just have some fun.
My regular, I'm talking things for better. Things for better. Way better. This is my regular, I'm talking things for better.
it's just really cool to see, you know, even if you've been here before, you've seen everything else, but it's your second time, you realize that this room's different. But yeah, this is where every practice starts. And players, they have individual meetings in here watching film. You know, film is really, really important in terms of live sports. So this is where practice starts every day. Cool. Anybody have any questions in here?
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly.
Walking in the halls of Trey Young.
It's not just Trey.
It is to me.
Make me believe that your love is hallelujah. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, goes on and on. Give me a all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire.
So this is our player lounge. It's where the players come hang out. It's where their family members, their friends come hang out while the players are getting a workout in. The really cool piece about this room is that our players have the ability to order breakfast, lunch, anytime they're here they can order food. And whenever they arrive, they can order it at their house, order it in their car. When they get here, we'll have it ready on that little server platform or whatever. And that's also a perk that the staff members can use here as well, which makes me a little jealous because I don't work out of this building. But you know, it's a really cool perk, you know, for our players and staff members, especially the ones that's working around the team. Right out here to my left is the player parking lot. So if you're here at the right time, you'll see a lot of nice cars out there. Looks like we got a few, which usually means that, you know, maybe somebody's in the building, but we are on the road tonight. But yeah, so the players park out here. So it's really cool to see, you know, the different players' cars coming in and out. You know, they're coming to practice and whatnot. But like I said, this is really just the main space that we kind of host the family and friends of the team whenever they come into town, you know, to hang out with the players.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers.